Hello, I'm Abraxan Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how to make immunity boosting juice recipe. Now here are my ingredients. I have grapes that are packed with nutrients, especially vitamin C and K. It may reduce or decrease blood sugar level and protect against diabetes. I have carrots that are really crunchy and tasty. I have lemon. I have also tangerine that can improve digestion, regulate blood pressure also. I have beetroot. Beetroot is packed with a lot of nutrients. Great source of fiber also. Then I have ginger. Ginger may drastically lower blood sugars and can help treat chronic indigestion. Now here are the basic fruits I'll be using for my immunity boosting juice recipe. And to assist me with this juice, I'll be using the cold press blender, which works like magic, helps you to sift out the fiber and you have your juice. Yes. So like I was saying, carrots are crunchy, tasty, and highly nutritious. They're a good source of fiber, vitamin K, potassium. They have a number of health benefits like weight loss, friendly food. They have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improve eye health. Now, you want to check with your doctors if you're diabetic or hypertensive for some of these fruits. I know that some people with diabetes are discouraged from taking a lot of carrots. So I'm sharing this because these are the fruits I love and I know that it helped to boost my immunity. Beetroot, like I said, is a great source of fiber. A lot of health benefits comes with beetroot. Improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and lemon promotes hydration. It supports weight loss, improves skin quality. Even though I am not doing this for weight loss purpose, but I mean, it's good to know these benefits that come with these fruits. You should also know that taking too much beetroot may not be good for some people because it is high in oxalate, which can contribute to a health condition called gout. Then a type of arthritis that develops when too much uric acid builds up in your body. So you want to be careful. Now, because most of these fruits are high in vitamin C, some experts consider them good for the skin. Yeah, so we're not just doing immunity boosting. No, we are also considering our skin. We're glowing up, glowing up, glowing up, glowing up. Now, this juice is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Imagine all of that in your body. Now, like I was saying, because most of these fruits I use here are high in vitamin C, they're both topical and dietary vitamin C, and their benefits to us is that it's beneficial on our skin cells. So I went ahead and used ice for mine. you can totally do without the ice. Ice is optional. And look at how beautiful this looks. It still has a few fiber in it, which I don't mind. Can you see through the bowl? I don't mind. But you know, look at the shaft on the left and the juice on the right. This is just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, share this video if you can, and if you are a new member here, you are welcome. If you haven't subscribed, you want to consider subscribing, because on my channel I have a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Beauty is gonna come very, very soon. Thank you guys. COVID is still out there. You want to be careful. You want to stay safe. Fortify yourself. Boost your immunity while you look pretty. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I truly appreciate you. Have yourself a lovely day. Mwah!